In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use n8n templates in SMS-iT Workflow. SMS-iT Workflow is fully compatible with n8n, allowing you to easily import and use any n8n workflow or template directly within your SMS-iT Workflow environment. To use an n8n template for free, first click Create Workflow to start a new workflow. Next, within the Workflow editor, click on n8n templates. You'll be redirected to the n8n template section, where you have instant access to thousands of pre-built workflows covering numerous use cases. Use the search field to quickly find a template suited to your specific needs. When you see a template you like, click on it to preview the workflow structure and review detailed information about the template. If you decide to use that template, click Use for free, and then select Copy Template to Clipboard JSON to copy the workflow. Now, return to your SMS-iT Workflow editor and paste the template directly into your workspace by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The imported n8n template will appear immediately in your workflow editor, ready for customization. Feel free to remove any components you don't need. To easily move workflow components around, hold down Shift and drag your mouse. You can also customize your imported template using Edit with AI for rapid, intelligent edits, or manually adjust it to perfectly match your unique requirements. With seamless backward compatibility, SMS-iT Workflow gives you instant access to more than 2,700 n8n workflow templates, enabling you to rapidly accelerate your automation and AI agent building processes. Combined with the powerful AI editing capabilities, you can quickly create precisely the workflows you need. This concludes our tutorial on using n8n templates in SMS-iT Workflow. See you in the next tutorial.